Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Keep Map Pointed North feature in the Waze app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll notice three horizontal lines, commonly known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon to reveal the main menu options. This is your gateway to accessing all the core settings and features within Waze. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of various options available to you. Look for and tap on Settings. This will take you into the configuration area where you can customize how Waze works according to your preferences. The settings menu is where you'll find all the controls for adjusting your navigation experience. Within the settings menu, you'll want to locate and tap on Map Display. This section specifically controls how your map appears and behaves while you're using the app. It's an important area because it affects your visual experience and how information is presented to you during navigation. Now, inside the Map Display section, you'll see an option labeled Keep Map North Up. This feature determines whether your map stays oriented with north, always pointing toward the top of your screen, or if it rotates based on the direction you're traveling. Having this control gives you the flexibility to choose whichever orientation feels most natural and intuitive for your navigation style. Right beside the Keep Map North Up option, you'll notice a toggle button. This is the switch that controls whether the feature is turned on or off. Go ahead and tap this toggle button. If it's currently off, tapping it will enable the feature, locking your map to always point north. If it's already on, tapping it will disable the feature, allowing your map to rotate as you turn and move. It's that simple to switch between the two modes depending on your preference at any given time. And that's it, you've successfully configured how your map orientation works in Waze. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.